Hi there, I'm Dr. Matthew J. Traum. I am a senior lecturer and instructional associate professor here in the Department of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering at UF. I'm the principal investigator of the Gator Kits Lab, which is where we are now, and I also oversee the Mechanical Engineering Capstone Senior Design Program, which is in a space down the hallway. I have been at the University of Florida for 4.5 years. So we're sitting in the Gator Kits Lab, and the overall goal of the lab is to enable mechanical engineering programs to offer an all-online, ABET accredited mechanical engineering bachelor's degree. And the way that we do that, you can offer lecture classes online, no problem, but the stumbling block is the laboratory. So in order to achieve and maintain accreditation, you have to get the students in a lab doing hands-on work. And very hard to do that when the students are remote, at home, in environments away from a university. And so what we do is we just go around and identify all the labs that the university teaches in mechanical engineering. And these are usually like large brick and mortar spaces with industrial scale equipment. And we just identify each piece of equipment, each laboratory experiment, and we just shrink them down. And so we want to shrink everything down to the point where it's small enough that it can fit basically into a tote or a box that can then be put in the mail and sent off to students who are taking the laboratory classes remotely. So like, for example, sitting right here, this is a miniaturized tensile tester, stress strain apparatus that can be broken down and put into a tote and shipped to students taking, for example, mechanics and materials class. And so in that context, they can do their own stress strain tests, their own tensile tests on samples, and determine material properties from this little apparatus at home without having to come to the university to use a full-scale tensile tester to take those tests. So the impact of this work in the engineering education community is we're basically making mechanical engineering education accessible to students who, for whatever reason, can't physically be on campus. So sometimes students are dealing with illnesses, economic constraints, geographic constraints. Sometimes they have internships and co-ops. They need to be in another place. And we can help them continue towards graduation and take their classes and finish degree requirements remotely by using the miniaturized lab kits, as opposed to requiring them to come to campus to complete the labs in the brick and mortar spaces. So my laboratory predominantly uses undergraduate research students to carry out the projects. We do also have openings for master's students. So we also are looking for an interdisciplinary skill set. So we do like engineers, but we also have students from biology, chemistry, some of the other STEM disciplines. So if you're interested in becoming an undergraduate researcher, please reach out to me. If you'd like to learn more about the work that we do in the Gator Kits Lab, feel free to check out the Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering website. Thanks.